Welcome, today in front of me Black Shark 5 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. First open the settings, and after that scroll to the sounds and vibration. Then scroll a little bit down and you'll see here silent mode switcher. Just to activate it, click here only once on the switcher. Now the silent mode is on, so all our ringtones and notifications, they are muted. If you will turn it off, they also will ring one. So if you want to do it by the second way, you just can mute your ringtone volume panel, and now we can see that the silent mode automatically is activated. If you want to unmute it, just unmute the ringtone volume panel and silent mode is turned off. If you want, you can also silence media in silent mode. Just to do that, click here on the switcher, and now we can see here the result. And you can also just activate the vibration in silent mode by this way. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first open notification panel, and here you should find the mute icon. Just to activate silent mode, click once on the mute icon, and now silent mode is activated. And if you want to turn it off, just click on this icon once again, and that's it. And one more way how we can do that, just press on the left side of our device, just up or down volume button, and you'll see here that bell icon. Just click here once on this icon to turn on silent mode, and to turn it off, click on the icon once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.